Hi, welcome to Data Visualization Solutions for Beginners by Pact Publishing. My name is Mohammad Topiwala and I am a data scientist. My core areas of work are machine learning and data visualization. Let me give you a brief overview of the course. Since the course does not have any prerequisite for a background by any individual with any background can view this course. In order to make our viewer comfortable, we begin by explaining to him how to install the softwares that will be used throughout the course. We specify to our users step-by-step instructions on how they should be installing various softwares that will be used throughout the course. Once the installations are done, we believe in getting our fundamentals right, and hence we help our viewers understand various concepts that are required for visualizations using various examples. We believe by viewing examples, our users would be able to understand certain concepts quickly. Once our user's fundamentals are right, we try to give him a brief overview of how any data visualization activity would go about. For example, we try to explain our user how he should be moving ahead with his data visualization activities. So we get our data, we perform an exploratory data visualization, move on to an explanatory data visualization, and finally present our visualization to our audience. Once the theory and fundamentals are right, we move on towards practical implementation of how we should be creating visualizations using R and Python. We give a brief overview of the entire programming idea and how we should logically separate our code using the help of multiple various files, and how we should make certain assumptions while dealing with a new set of data. No matter repeating concept or not, we explain it for every other programming language that we use. All the concepts that I explained in R are repeated in Python so that a user can use whichever programming language he feels comfortable with after understanding how they work. Once a user understands how to perform exploratory data visualizations using tools like R and Python, we move on towards an advanced data visualization software, that is Tableau, which has been ranked as the best visualization tool by a report in Gartner. Tableau is extremely simple to use and also helps our users understand what is going on really quickly. We explain the use of colors, placements of graphs, and how to get our viewers maximum attention. Once we are done with understanding how to use such a powerful visualization tool, we move on towards interpreting various graphs that we prepare for our audience, and finally how should we be presenting it to our audience, thus showing from a rookie to a pro explanation of every concept. Our main aim is to explain to our viewers what the visualization is all about and how they can make multiple interpretations by using a single graph. The course goals are to have a basic foundation and a solid understanding of the basics no matter what your background is. Get a firm grasp on the types of data and types of visualization. Make basic visualization reports using R or Python, and finally create dashboards or storyboards in Tableau to present to your audience. Working with real life data set and making your own powerful visualizations. We want our viewers to become a pro in data visualization, even though they have absolutely no experience or no background. This course does not need any specific knowledge. However, some programming knowledge on R or Python could be useful. Even if you do not have any programming knowledge, don't worry. This course would be very helpful to you. A machine having Windows or Mac OS, you can't be using Linux as your operating system, as certain softwares wouldn't be supported on Linux. Your machine must have at least 4 GB RAM and a 500 MB graphic card. You would also be needing Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets.